Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a build for my mom, just to give you a little bit of background. So basically my mom is right now using this laptop, and this is an HP laptop that I've had for over a decade. And actually this laptop was the one that I actually took when I was actually going to college. So she's been using it. She hasn't had that many issues, but she started noticing that the performance was somewhat slacking, and she's like, hey, you know what, just FYI, computer's really slow. I don't know if what you could do with it. Like, I was thinking, well, maybe I could do a disk cleanup, do a defrag, and it should be good to go. But that was not the case. I need to upgrade this. So yeah, so this is basically the setup that she has. That's basically it. So yeah, let's go right ahead and bring out the new components. So here we have the components I chose to go right ahead and build my mom a computer. So what we got, of course, we have the Ryzen 3600XT. We also have basically 16 gigs of DDR4 running at 3600 megahertz. We do have the MSI B550i, what is it? The Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. I know I could have probably gotten a little bit cheaper for the motherboard, but I was like, you know what? Nonetheless, let's just go right ahead and just go bigger, or go home. So basically, powering all this, we do have the Corsair CX650M. The graphics card isn't anything special. She's not going to be gaming or anything like that. This is just more just to have a video output. So of course we have the Zotac GeForce GT 710. So yeah, now that that's out of the way, let's go right ahead and start building this PC. Okay, so here's the NZXT case and everything already put together. I already have the monitor connected. So yeah, let's go right ahead and see what happens. And hopefully I get post. So let's go right ahead and try that out. So hit the power button. Oh, that's right. Hold on. Okay, let's try it out. So hit the power button. Nothing. Huh. Oh. I know there's power. Okay. All right. So that didn't do the trick, so I'm gonna go right ahead and open this up and see what happened. Okay, it looks like I found the issue. The front AIO connector was not seated correctly, so that's probably why there was no power, or it wasn't turning on. So let's go ahead and try for take 2. Well, fans are spinning. Boom. All right, so what do we got? AMD Ryzen 5. Let's see. Okay. Set up. All right, so let's go right ahead and go into F1. All right, so I'm in BIOS. So yeah, it looks promising. Looks like we are good to go here. And all it was just that front panel connector that was not correctly placed in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and modify it, and then we'll be back. Alrighty, everybody, so there we go. So I finally got it to boot up. So like I said before, it was the front panel connector that was not connected correctly. That was on me. That was on me. I should have checked, and I didn't, and basically, yeah, there was no power. But as you can see already in the back, I'm already installing Windows 10. So everything is getting powered on. The hard drive is getting picked up. Of course, graphics card is working. So there we go. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and end the video right here. Alrighty, everybody. So that is the end of this video. I really do hope you enjoy it. Hopefully you can continue, viewing my videos and, keep on going through the journey that is basically this channel. So nonetheless, that is the end, and we will catch you on the next one.